Add the green onions, julienned carrots, and mixed mushrooms to the pot. Encourage them to dance together in harmony, adding vibrant colors and flavors to the soup. Let them sauté for a few minutes until they become tender and delightful. Pour in the vegetable stock and let it join the party. The stock will bring a wave of merriment and a rich base to the soup. Stir in the soy sauce, sesame oil, a dash of sea salt for seasoning, and fresh bok choy. Remember, laughter is the best seasoning, so feel free to share a joke or two while you stir. Cook on high pressure, cook for 20 minutes. Gently place the frozen dumplings into a smoking skillet, letting them dive into the oily sesame goodness. Make sure they're comfortably settled and not too crowded. They will toast and show off their deliciousness as they cook. Once the timer goes off, perform a quick release of the pressure. Be prepared for a burst of steam and the tantalizing aroma that will fill your kitchen. Caution, the soup might have a contagious effect, making you burst into laughter. Top will toasted dumplings and fresh green onions.